Welcome to my channel. My name is Emmanuel Cyprian. In this video, I'll be sharing with you tips and tricks on how to negotiate for salary as an IT professional or as a cybersecurity analyst. Now, you need to know how to effectively negotiate for salary so that you don't leave money on the table and so that you don't shoot yourself on the foot or you don't underpay yourself. So that is why you need to arm yourself with adequate information on how to negotiate for salary. But before we get into the real details on how you can negotiate for salary, please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Like this video, share this video, turn on your notification button. Thank you. So let's get started. Now, salary is one of those questions that every recruiter or hiring manager will request from you. They will ask you, what is your expected salary? How much do you want to earn? That you need to know. There are situations where you might not have an idea about the salary. So I'm going to give you a case study. Let's take a case study of an ISSO's position, which is Information System Security Analyst or Security Control Assessor, with 5 to 7 years work experience required. In this particular situation, this particular position, this particular experience, the salary range is usually between $98,000 per annum to $120,000 per annum. However, in a situation where you don't have an idea of this salary range, what do? You want to give them this salary range that I just mentioned. If they ask you what is your expected salary, tell them between $98,000 to $120,000 per annum. Between $98,000 to $120,000 per annum. Tell them that. Now, if that falls within their own salary range, they will tell you yes. If it doesn't fall within their salary range, if it's more than, they will ask you if you are open for negotiation. In that case, you say yes. So they might either negotiate it below $98,000 per annum, or they might even negotiate it below $120,000 per annum. In that situation, at least you have an idea of how much you are negotiating for. Now, another situation may arise whereby you can equally, pose the question back to the recruiter. You can ask the recruiter, okay, please, how much are you paying for this position you are recruiting me for? Majority of them will tell you the salary range. And if they tell you, oh, it's within this $90,000 per annum to $120,000, you just tell them, yes, that is within my own range as well. In that situation, you just go ahead and then accept that particular salary range. That is one. Another thing you need to pay attention to while negotiating for salary is there is what is called W-2 without benefit. There is W-2 with benefits. There is 1099 and there is contract to hire. W-2 without benefit means that at the end of the paycheck, whatsoever the salary you guys negotiated or agreed upon, they will pay you after removing the taxes. They will be the one to remove the taxes. Now, there is no health insurance coverage. There is no PTO, no sick leave. You'll be the one to sort out that yourself. If you didn't go to work, either because you're sick or the office is closed, they will not pay you. They will only remove the taxes and then pay you the remaining balance. That is W-2 without benefit. There is W-2 with benefits. In that situation, what happens is they will provide you health insurance coverage, they will provide you PTO or sick leave. And also, they will remove the taxes at the end of each paycheck. So everything is included in that amount you guys negotiated on. And then there is the 1099. The 1099 means that at the end of the paycheck, they will pay you every dollar you guys negotiated with or agreed on without removing the taxes. They will not provide you health coverage. They will not provide you any PTO. So you will be the one to pay your taxes, or sort out your taxes at the time you are paying taxes during the tax season. You'll be the one to sort out your health insurance coverage. You'll be the one to take out your, take care of your sick leave or whatsoever. When offices are closed, they will not pay you for that. So that is yours to take care of. That is 1099. And then there is this contract to hire. Contract to hire means that probably the person negotiating or you negotiated with is a subcontractor. So what that contract to hire means is they are telling you that within the space of 6 months, you'll be on our payroll. We are not providing you health insurance benefits, all of that. In that situation, the pay is usually a little bit higher. Now, after 6 months, it's either the prime contractor will onboard you to themselves or the client will onboard you to themselves. So you will be their own employee. You're no longer the employee of the subcontractor. Remember, when that situation happens, there is usually a salary decrease, meaning that when you are going away from being a contractor to a full-time employee of that prime or client, they will provide you health insurance benefits, PTO. So that will necessitate to reduce the salary. So you want to pay attention to that. So these are the tips and tricks on how to negotiate for salary if you have no idea about what that position is offering. Now, if you are already working and you need a hike or a raise in your salary, this is my recommendation. This is what I do. I'm recommending it. If it's okay with you, go ahead. Now, I do not negotiate for salary increase with my current employer. I don't go back and forth with them asking them, hey, can you increase my salary? Oh, this is almost 1 year I'm here with you. Or they might say, okay, you know what? Your salary increase is 3%, but it's still based on performance. It's still based on this. It's based on that. I don't negotiate salary increase with my current employer. What I do is I go out there, I update my resume, I put it out there, and then I go to negotiate salary increase with a new employer. That will afford me the opportunity of having at least 250% increase in my salary, because I already know what I'm earning. So that gives me that opportunity to negotiate better. So in that situation, I'm not going back and forth with my organization, with my current employer to ask them for salary increase. No. So that is my recommendation for you if that works for you. In that situation, you're not tied down. Why should I be tied down in one particular place for 10, 15 years? Simply because I'm hoping and looking forward to 3% salary increase every year. No, when I can get 250% increase with a new employer, because I'm bringing in new skills, new expertise, and added experience. So that is how you negotiate for salary increase if you are already working. Now, if this video has been helpful to you, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Don't forget to like these videos, share this video, and then lastly, turn on your notification button. Thank you.